Hey, my girly pop. So this is a tutorial of how to make mochis. I make 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the rules. These squishies cannot be. These aren't squishy, but these are like mochis. Feel like this. It's supposed to stick and come the other, and it's not. It's destructible. You can turn everything. This is my glitter thingy where the mermaid swims. And then I was supposed to make this a snake, but it became a thingy. First, you got these ingredients. You can add glitters if you want. Okay. We need lip gloss, slime, and glitters. Okay, let me film this. Okay, this is my thingy and green. Let's add purple slime. I use slime purple. You can turn this whatever you want. I'm running out of ideas, so now let's make this flower.
Ano kahaba, lab?
Okay, this is
Lab, gano'ng kahaba?
This is
Paano na nag-iip siya?
if you don't want to put glitters, but you
Pag ganun na, videohan mo, hindi mo
na-
tawagin mo.
then you can put or not put any glitters. Mine is especially gonna have glitters. You need glittery eyeshadow, but you can use for kids. And for kids lip gloss, so you can't waste your money. So that was like 60
Mag-play mo na video,
pesos.
may napanood natin. Ang tanong!
Kung BL ay boys love at ang
This
GL ay
makes
girls
the
love,
color
ano
change.
naman ang GRWM? Yes, Tito Abdul! GRWM.
Get ready with me!